Hello friends, this is Veronica and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. Hashtag, I need to get one that says hashtag cafecito. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid and you know what time it is. It's time for some cafecito, coffee time. And since it's going to be summer, I think it's time for some iced coffee time, which is something that a lot of you have asked for and requested. And if you're new here to my channel, welcome to House of Cid. I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee because we love coffee. So if you're returning, thanks for coming back, and make sure you are subscribed to our channel because I have a lot of good stuff coming up and you don't want to miss out, and hit the notifications to be notified when we upload our videos every Wednesday, every Sunday, and some extra bonus videos coming soon. I was looking at my past videos and my coffee stock that I have, and I realized I never did a review on the iced coffee from Nespresso. I don't know why. Last summer I bought it, I tried it, I had it. I did a couple like recipes using the capsules, but I never did like a full-on review of the iced coffee. So I just recently ordered some. So I said, you know what, let's do a little review of the iced coffee capsules, which were out of stock for a while, and they kind of like redid the boxes a little bit. I think the coffee is the same. They just changed the boxes. They used to be all blue. Actually, I like the other boxes better. But anyways, as you can see, one of them's already open because I've been having some iced coffee. But like I said, I wanted to do a quick little review of the iced coffee from Nespresso. These are, from what I've heard and been told, permanent iced coffee capsules. Unless they sell out and then restock, they will be available year round, not just in the summertime. And they have two selections available. This one that I already opened is called the Ice Leggero. And it is, okay, I didn't want to do this, but I'm going to have to wear my reading glasses for this. It is a double espresso capsule. Yeah, double espresso, 2.7 ounces. And give you really quick here what it says. Why we love it. Enjoy this delicate fruity cereal notes of Barista Creations Ice Leggero. The elegant flavors of Ethiopian Arabica in this blend refresh you like the gentlest of summer breezes when you pour it over ice. So these are meant to be over ice. We roast it lightly and grind it especially to deliver that cool, delicate taste dancing on your palate. Best served as one coffee capsule over a cup of ice. To extend the treat, top it with cold water or cold milk. So I'm not going to do a recipe. I'm just going to brew it and taste it and let you know what I think. So this one would be good for like an iced latte because it is like espresso, like 2 shots of espresso. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty blue, so it's smaller capsule. So we'll do that one. The other one is called Ice Forte, and this one is a 7.77 ounces. So this is like iced coffee, bigger cup of coffee. Again, let's put on the reading glasses. This one says, why we love it. Enjoy the intense taste of Barista Creations Ice Forte in a refreshing coffee over ice. South American Arabicas mixed with the Indonesia Arabica to offer an impactful... I'm not used to reading glasses, so let me try again. Arabica mixed with Indonesia Arabica to offer impactful aromatic experience. Dark roasted and ground Dark roasted and ground specifically for delicious coffee over ice. Best served as one coffee capsule over a big cup full of ice cubes. Okay, so this one is a bigger, like the coffee size capsules. It's pretty much the same print, except this one's a little lighter, I think. Yeah, see, these are darker blues and these are lighter blues. And this one's 2.7 ounces, 2 shots of espresso, 7.77, full cup of coffee. Okay. So let's brew the Ice Leggero first. We'll do it here. And I'm gonna put the ice after. I don't wanna put the ice now. So I have my ice over here. And I've used the Ice Leggero capsule to make like an iced latte. So I'll brew the capsule. I'll add my milk of choice. And then usually I'll add like a vanilla syrup or any flavor syrup. And then maybe 4 to 6 ounces of milk. Your ice, voila, you have an iced latte. Or you could just add regular sugar, whatever you like, flavored creamer, whatever your favorite is. And there you go, you have an iced latte. So this one does say it's fruity and cereal note. We roast it lightly. We roast it lightly and grind it, okay. So I'm guessing this one's maybe a little lighter. Okay. So you are going to get the crema. You are going to get the 2 shots of espresso. Gonna add some ice in there. Okay, so while this cools off and before we tasted, coffee, 1. I have tried it the way it says here to just add water, and it's more like I would say more like an iced Americano. So if you want an iced Americano, you could just add, brew your capsule, ice and cold water, and then milk creamer of choice. So that'll give you an iced Americano using the Ice Leggero capsule. And if you want to make it a latte, you would just brew your capsule, ice, milk of choice, and if you want to flavor it, syrup, sugar, what have you. So let me know if you have bought the ice capsules. I did a video on the coconut over ice capsule, which I believe is limited edition. So that one's not going to be available all year round, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it is limited edition, but these will be available. So let me know if you are a fan of iced coffees with an espresso machine. And if you have bought these, what do you think of them? You can make iced coffee or iced lattes with the regular capsules, but a lot of people complain that the regular capsules and they add the ice, it makes the coffee kind of watery. So that's why Nespresso came up with these iced capsules, which are supposed to keep the flavor of the coffee and not water it down. Okay, so, ooh, this one gives you a lot of crema. Ooh, careful. Yeah, okay, so while this one cools off, let's try the Ice Leggero. Ooh. I do taste the fruitiness in this. And you know what? It doesn't taste that watered down. The ice is already starting to melt. So that's why these are recommended for iced coffee, because it won't water it down. But yeah, it's pretty good. It is a little bit of bitterness because it doesn't have any milk or sweetener in it, but it is a little fruity. I think actually this would taste good as an iced Americano. or iced caramel macchiato. Ooh, yeah, I gotta try that one. Yeah, I could definitely taste the coffee flavor is still intense. It hasn't really watered down. Eventually, when all your ice melted, if you add more ice to make it colder, it will water it down, but it's supposed to not water it down a lot. Okay, that one's good. This one might need more ice. Let's see. I'm just afraid it's going to, ooh, there we go. I need bigger glass for my iced coffee. Okay, so Ice Leggero. This is Ice Forte. Oh, it's still kind of hot. You know what? I think I'm going to pour it in my little cup here. So, okay. I was just using this cup for the ice, but I think this one holds it better. Okay. This one is not as bitter. It's definitely a smoother coffee. This is an espresso. This is just regular coffee. Ooh. If I was just to drink it black, I think I would choose the Ice Forte. So this is a darker roast, this is a lighter roast, but even though this is lighter, it has a little bit more bitterness. I'm sure it'll be great with, like I said, a nice latte, a nice Americano, but just by itself like this, I don't think I would drink it. This one is good. I like it. Yeah, it's definitely smoother. I could taste a little bit more intense coffee flavor. So this would be just your regular iced coffee. Add your little bit of creamer, flavoring if you want. You have a nice coffee. So if you love iced coffee, give these a try. They're both good. It just depends on what you like. If you're planning to make lattes, like I said, Americanos, definitely go with the Ice Leggero. If you just want good old iced coffee, go with the Ice Forte. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think about these iced capsules from Nespresso. Let me know what your favorite iced coffee is. Are you buying these? Are you not buying them? I love to hear what you guys have to say in the comments. So make sure you like our video, leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, I think I'm at 85% not subscribed and 15 subscribed. So let's get that number, that unsubscribed number lower, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification so you know when our videos are coming, and let me know what you think about these iced capsules from Nespresso. Are you buying them or not? And I will have, if you want more iced coffee recipes, I will have more coming up. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go see what I could make with these two, because, you know, we can't waste coffee because Nespresso is too expensive. So let's see what we can make with these two capsules. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you're enjoying your cafecito, and we'll see you next week. Bye.